Hey everyone, Amy here with Sublimation and More and Hellbound Designs, and I'm going to hope that I can do this stream successfully without screwing it up. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take a vendor PDF file and edit it to be used with layer masks and smart objects and that kind of stuff. I'm not going to go into too much detail on the smart objects, but I'm going to show you how to edit it because what you get as a PDF is not very productive. So I'm going to show you how to edit this. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to open up the file, and I'm going to start with a sock template, and here's the sock template I'm going to start with. We're going to do this one first. When you open it up, it's going to show you if it's a PDF, if there's more than one page, it's going to show you that here. Make sure you change the resolution to 300. You want it RGB color, and you can leave all the rest of this stuff the same. I'm going to hit OK. And then next what we're going to do is we're going to change the heel and the toe of the sock to white. That's just my preference. So I take my paint bucket, change my color to white, and I just click in the heel. On the back of the sock, if you click on either the heel or the toe, it'll change both. The next thing you want to do is duplicate the layer. How you do that is just hit Control J and it automatically duplicates the layer. So for the first one, we want the top layer to be your safe area. So I like my safe area to be a green, so I'm going to click on that and then just click in there. Oh, my bad. I'm so sorry. It should only ring a few times. And click in each one of these. I've got all kinds of noises going off. Etsy, my phone, and everything. I'm sorry for that. That's what happens when you go live. So I made these green, and this is going to be my safe area. Alright. Next we're going to work on your background. So I'm going to hide the safe by clicking on the eye, and then I'm going to click on the background layer. What we want to do is we want to delete the white areas. So you can do that a couple ways. I would just go with select, color range, click on the white. You can choose inverse, or let's see if it's already done. Okay, it's not. Edit step backwards. Now you go up to select and then choose inverse, and then come over here and click on your layer mask down on the very right bottom. It's add layer mask. Alright. And then basically that gets rid of all the white. So now what you need to do is just go ahead and apply the layer mask by right clicking on the layer mask and then click apply layer mask. Alright. Next we're going to do is fill this in black to use as a template. Okay. Take your paint bucket and just fill that in. Okay, so we've got these words here. We don't need those. Take your paintbrush. If you don't see how big your brush is, click on the caps lock key and that should bring it up. If you need it smaller or bigger, click on your bracket key. Your left bracket key makes it smaller. Your right bracket key makes it bigger. And I'm just going to paint over the text here. Okay. The next thing we want to do is we want to get rid of all of the black text. So I'm going to hit the eraser. I'm just click in there. I'm just going to get rid of that. Alright. And you can get rid of all this too. Now this outline, I mean, this template had a red outline, so we need to get rid of that too. So I'm going to go up here again to select color range, and I'm going to do black, and I'm going to go select inverse, and I'm going to make another layer mask. So you're going to click down here where it says add layer mask. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I'm going to do select inverse and do it again, add layer mask. Oops. Alright, so that gets rid of all the red, and even if there was red text. Now again, right click on the layer mask and do apply layer mask, so it stays there for you. Click on the eye to bring up your safe area, and now you can see you have all your text, and you can see where your safe area is. At this point, I would just save it as a template, so I'd go File, Save As, and you can see I already had done it here. And I'm going to do sock template and hit yes. Okay. Now, how would I use this template? I'm going to just briefly show you how I would use this. So I'm going to go File up here and do Place, and I'm going to go to My Computer not there, Images, Backgrounds. I'm going to do Patriotic. Okay. If I wanted to do it as one image, I'm going to select this flag, and we're just going to make it as big as we can, okay? And you want it to cover the entire size of the socks. Alright. After you resized it, hit enter, it sets it, and then next what you want to do is you want to make this fit into your template. So how you do that is you click on Alt, hold your mouse in between the image and the background layer, and then that fits that in perfectly. If you need to resize, you can do that. You know, if you just wanted to squeeze it in like that. So this would be pretty much the back of the sock here, and this would be the front of the sock. Okay. And that's how you would do one image. If you wanted two images, you would just add another image there, and let's say I just go File, Place, and say we wanted this on the background, okay? So what I would do is just put that there, and I would put it under here. No, I'd put it over here. And to get this to not overlay on the front, you could just simply select that right there and then hit delete. Oops. You got to rasterize the layer first, so I would right click on it, right click on the text, hit rasterize layer, then hit delete, and that moves it out. So there you go. So that could give you a double image for your front and your back socks. So that's how I would do that. Okay everyone, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, feel free to let us know. As always, don't forget to join our Facebook group, Sublimation and More, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.